Hey everyone. So today I want to talk to you about used to and would. Both are not too difficult, but when to use used to and when to use would can be a little bit confusing. So let's look. First, let's look at used to. We can use used to for past actions, things we did in the past that we don't do now. For example, eat, watch, play. We can also use used to for past states, things we felt or thought in the past, which again have changed. For example, be happy, love, live. So let's look at used to with an action first. When I was in high school, I played tennis every day. Sadly, I don't play tennis anymore. So I can say, I used to play tennis every day. Similarly, in high school, I didn't eat any vegetables. I was not healthy. So I can say, I didn't used to eat vegetables. Notice when we use didn't, we can take the D away from used to. And let's look at a state. So in high school, I was really lazy. I always fell asleep in class. These days, I'm not so lazy, and I'm a teacher, so I really can't fall asleep in class. So I say, I used to be really lazy. I would always fall asleep in class. Be careful though. When we talk about something we still do now, we can't use used to. I watched a lot of movies in high school, but I still watch them now. So I can't say I used to watch a lot of movies. There are other things I can say. Maybe I can say I've always watched a lot of movies, but be careful not to use used to. Okay, let's talk now about would. Would has the same basic meaning as used to, but we can only use it for past habits, not past states. So, for example, I would play tennis every day is okay, but I would be lazy is not okay. And that's the big difference. Easy, right? But if used to and would have the same meaning, why do we use both? Why do we even need would? Well, usually when we talk about the past using expressions like used to or would, it's when we're telling a slightly longer story, and maybe we're using 2 or 3 sentences together. So if I say, for example, I used to be lazy in high school, I used to always fall asleep in class, people will understand my meaning, but I have to repeat my words, and my English doesn't sound very nice. Instead, we can use used to as the first line and would in the second. So, for example, I used to be so lazy in high school, I would always fall asleep in class. This sounds a lot nicer. Similarly, we don't usually start stories with would. Just saying to a person, I would play tennis every day, sounds okay, but it's better and more natural to say something like, for example, I was a big sports fan in high school. I would play tennis every day. So there are some small differences between used to and would. Hope this helps, and see you soon.